Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how you can create a simple timesheet in Calc. So first of all, let's just add some columns. So the first column I'll put is name, then I'll have a date column, start column, and an end column or finish column just for now. So let's say we have a guy called Paul, and you're filling it in for today's date, 2nd of June, and he starts at 0900 and you want him to finish at 4 o'clock on the 24-hour clock, 4 o'clock. What you now need to work out is how many hours that was. So if I put hours there, you basically can just do a sum on time. So it's equals that minus that. Just tick that, gives me 7 hours. Now all this is formatted in time, but you can change the format. So I don't want these extra zeros for seconds, so I'm just going to highlight those two. Do Control-1 to get into format cells. It's on time, but down the bottom here you can edit the display, the end display of that. So I'm just going to get rid of the seconds in that last colon. Click OK to that, so you get it as it sits there. And I can do the same on this one as well. Control-1, get in there, knock those seconds off, and then you've got it looking quite nice. Now, that was, say, today. If you want to do it again tomorrow, Paul, so this will be the 3rd of June, so 3rd, 6, 24. And again, let's say it starts at 8 o'clock and finishes at 1500. Now you want that to pick that up. So that formula, you should just be able to pull that down and it picks it up. So it started at an earlier time, still 7 hours. And again, you can then just change this format. This format is just pick that up. So I'll just do Control-1 to change that format. Now what you'd really do is highlight the columns and set that for the whole column. I just want to show you that you can do that anyhow. Now if you want to do the cumulative time, hours, you can have that sort of, spell that wrong. Just press F7, spell check. Yeah, change. Get rid of that, close that off. You can have this adding up. So if I do the sum function here, if I go equals sum and then click on that cell and then do a colon and click on that cell again, but what I need to do is lock that first cell with the F4 key, and then if I get the end of that, put a bracket on the end to close that, and then click the tick. When I pull that down, it adds up the hours. So that's now added up the 2 7s, 14 hours. So let's do another one. So another day, Paul comes in, 4th of June, 4/6/24. Obviously, if you're in the US, you're doing US dates. 09, and then let's go back to 1600 and pull that one down. I won't bother doing the format on this one. So it's 7 hours again, and then you should just better pull this one down and it will pick up the cumulative hours. It's adding up how many hours altogether on the week this person's done. So this is just a very simplistic time booking in, booking out sheet. Obviously, if you've got different shift patterns overnight and things like that, you have to incorporate dates, the actual dates as part of the formula. But this is just a basic one where people are working in a fairly static time period between, say, 8 and 9 and 4, 5, 6 o'clock at night. And then that'll just give you the weekly total for this guy. And then you could have one for each employee. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can create a simple timesheet in LibreOffice Calc. So thanks for your time. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.